Hi team, I'm back with another video. As you can see, I thought I'd show you guys my skincare routine, which has really bulked up in the last few weeks since I've been home and just at home with all my skincare stuff. So I've just started testing everything out and deciding what I like, and this is just that. And then also show you a very light makeup look. This is basically what I am wearing on an everyday basis since I haven't left my house much lately. But yeah, so that's this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watch. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and this brings a little bit of light in your life, especially since we've all been stuck at home for a while. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I've just done my eyebrows. They're not great, but they're okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is use this Acure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. I got it in a Birchbox, and I am going to use it just under my eyebrows because to kind of soothe the redness. My skin is totally clean. I just washed it with my face wash. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. I don't usually like fragrance in my things, but since I'm using so little of it, I think that's okay. I'm then gonna spray lavender facial mist onto my face. This stuff doesn't do anything, I swear, but it feels good, and why not, right? Might as well use the products you have. The next thing I want to do for my face is to provide some hydration. I'm going to use this Huxley Secret of Sahara Oil Essence like oil product. I am loving this stuff. I have just been applying it onto my face, a few drops in the different areas, and then rolling it in for like 30 minutes or something, just something ridiculous like that. So I'm going to do that. It's been so relaxing. I've been doing it while watching television with Jake, so I'm just sitting there watching whatever show's on. Anyway, I really like this product because the main ingredient is prickly pear. Oh, I kind of like this lighting better. It's like a little more intimate. Okay, so we're gonna go with that. Anyway, I'm just gonna roll this onto my face using my jade roller. It's not a real jade roller. Jade's really expensive, but this really feels really good. And there's like something I've been saying a lot lately. It's called like loosening my fascia. I've been like ending up on fascia YouTube, where there's just a bunch of like people who do massage, and they're like, you have to loosen your fascia. Fascia release is like really amazing. And I think it's like one of those trendy things where it's just like loosening muscle to promote elasticity. And I'm not a scientist and I don't know what I'm saying, but it feels good. So whether it's pseudoscience or real, I am here for it. But I do know that like draining your lymph nodes is good, so I would roll your jade roller down your neck as well. Wow, I am so hydrated. My skincare is on fleek. What can I say? I'm amazing. And this actually feels really good. I was doing it to Jake yesterday and he was a fan. Okay, Rachel, relax. Whoa, that's my hair. Anyway, I just put my towel on the ground. So I'm gonna shake up my hair and just kind of leave it there for the rest of the video. My skin feels so soft. I can't believe it. Oh, it feels so good. Y'all, you have to get yourself one of these and then get yourself like an oil essence thing to rub into your face. I don't even know if it does anything, but it literally just makes me feel so good and like I'm taking care of myself, even though I might not be, even though this might not even be science, but here I am doing my best. And so then the next thing I'm gonna do is hyaluronic acid. It's 2% and has B5. I love The Ordinary. They have like my favorite products and they're so inexpensive, so I would definitely, if you're new to skincare, I would definitely do some research, find like an esthetician or dermatologist who's talking about these products and telling you what they're all for. This one is one of my favorites. Hyaluronic acid is a great product for hydration. So if you're a person who deals with dry spots, I would recommend using this. Always patch test. I tried out this product on my arm when I first used it to see if it was working properly or if it was like gonna harm me in any way. So I just put like a drop or a little bit larger depending on how I'm feeling, and I kind of just spread it all over my face. And especially I try to get the parts that are dry. My skin isn't too dry, but it does get dry occasionally, and it's really irritating to me. So yeah, and then I just spread the excess down my neck, and then that's spread in. So the next thing I'm gonna do is use my moisturizer. This is the Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing Factors and Hyaluronic Acid. It's a very simple moisturizer. It doesn't have anything too exciting in it. It just moisturizes your face. I would definitely check out the ingredient list if you do have any sensitivities. Meantime, I'm just gonna fluff my hair up and then show you some products that I've been loving. I freaking love Dr. Jart. I am obsessed with Dr. Jart. That is my favorite like skincare masks, skincare things right now. And I'm just obsessed. And I'm obsessed. I can't afford like the full price items. Like I don't like to buy really expensive skincare. But so I've found these for like a steal at TJ Maxx and Nordstrom. Like this one was $3 and these are usually $6. And then this is another product. I haven't used it yet, but it's a rubber mask from Dr. Jart. It's Firm Lover. I don't really need it. I'm not falling. But I think it's like, I think it'd be good to use anyway. These masks are my favorite. They do what they say they do. Like the Vital Hydra solution, it's gonna hydrate your skin. The clearing solution, it's gonna help clear up your face. So that's that. So I have completed my skincare routine, and then I'm gonna do a very simple makeup routine. I'm just going to get some concealer, dab that into my under eye, and then I'm going to get a little bit more of this, which is the moisturizing factors, and then I'm gonna kind of blend that into my eyes. So still really hydrating. You can also use a beauty blender, but like I said, this is a very low maintenance makeup routine that I'm doing. So I'll do my eyebrows just because I plucked them, so why not do them? So I'm just gonna brush them out. So now I'm going to draw them in. I'm not like a makeup guru or anything like that. I know how to look okay, and that's basically it. Is I'll do my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes, and then instead of using my Benefit mascara, I'm gonna use the Great Lash Clear gel mascara. I hate wearing makeup at home, as I'm sure most of you do, so I avoid it. But this helps you get a little bit something on your eyelashes while still being really easy to take off, no mess, simple. The next thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of lip color. I feel like this has been my thing lately. I've just been using lip pencils as lipsticks. Like I like the lipstick, but it feels like there's actually stuff on my lips, and I've been just like loving the feeling of not feeling like I'm wearing makeup, and this really does that for me. And so the last thing, I feel like powder is never too heavy on my skin, unlike foundation or some other products. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of brown contour or bronzer on some of the angles of my face, just to give it a little bit more color, make it look like I haven't been living in out of a basement for the past 3 weeks. You know, act like I'm having getting some sun when I totally haven't. And so then I think the last step to my makeup is using Tarte blush in Peaceful. Just gonna use a little bit right over my contour now to add some color. And then I'm also gonna put some on my lid. That way I get some color on my eyelids while not wilding out too much. We love to see it. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. I am just going to, I think, brush my hair, or I don't know what I'll do, something else. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that this inspires you to have a simple makeup routine and to take care of your skin. I think skincare is so important, and being forced to self-isolate has really allowed me to focus on myself a lot more than I usually do, you know, to take care of my skin and to take care of myself. But yeah, make sure to take care of yourself and others, and if you're the praying type, make sure to pray for the people in your life and for other people, because this is a really trying time for a lot of people. And yeah, just take care of yourself. Okay guys, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, if you like the look, if you would suggest something different.